Today, January 24th, 2026, Sivas province in Turkey has become frozen hell, one of the most merciless snowstorms in 20 years. Blizzard and whiteout rage non-stop. Snow falls in walls, wind howls, roads vanish under 1 to 2 meters of snow. Over 800 villages and settlements are completely cut off. People trapped in homes without power at -15, -20 degrees Celsius. No heat, no food, no signal, waiting for death from cold. In Gürün, 700 people froze in buried cars for hours in darkness until rescuers pulled them to a school dorm. Many were already on the brink. Frostbite, hypothermia, despair. But animals suffer even more brutally. Stray dogs and cats drown in drifts, unable to find food or shelter, found frozen stiff with ice crust on fur. Pets locked indoors die from starvation and cold. Livestock in barns perishes by the thousands, farmers helpless as snow traps them. Avalanches and landslides strike constantly. Equipment gets stuck, roads reburied overnight. AFAD rescuers fight at their limits, but nature wins, and many animals simply don't survive till help arrives. Power cut in hundreds of areas. People terrified to step out. The next avalanche could be the last for everyone still alive. This is not winter. It's survival in a white grave where both people and animals are dying in Turkey.